Hi, this is Emike from SlideHub with a short product update for February. Today on our agenda, we have the following topics. First up is our updated navigation. Then I'm going to walk you through our automatic file validation system. We have improved the file upload speed, and I would like to invite you to our quarterly product webinar as well. Updated navigation. SlideHub's left side navigation has been improved. We've just rolled out a release that simplifies the left side navigation for end users. Making sure that everything in SlideHub can be found quickly and easily is an important goal for us because time saved searching for the right asset is time you can spend developing better content. We are excited to see how this will enhance your SlideHub experience. What changed? We created more space for the category list, making navigation smoother. We moved the updated slides into each library for easier access. The number of updated slides is now more visually apparent in the list view, and the search all feature has moved to the top when relevant. These updates aim to streamline navigation and improve usability. Do let us know your feedback. Okay, so let me demonstrate what the left-hand side navigation looks like now. So let's go to the SlideHub side pane and click on Insert SlideHub Slides. Here you can see that the left-hand side navigation has new icons, each of them corresponding to a specific part of the SlideHub platform. So now if you click on these, you can just switch from company slides to inspiration slides much easier. This way, the categories under the specific asset types have more space and they're easier to look through. It is easier to see the slides have been updated, so you can just click here and there's a clear number of all the new slides in company library or inspiration slides or in any other asset now. Here you can see we have 2 new internal slides, for example. The search all now is always on the top as well, making it easier for you to find the right asset. We hope that this navigation improvement will help you speed up your design work. Automatic file validation. Before uploading slides, SlideHub validates them and warns you of potential issues. Why are we doing this? File validation is key for a few reasons. User experience. It helps users by giving them quick feedback on any issues during file upload, making the whole process smoother. Compatibility. Validation ensures files meet system requirements, avoiding format issues or unsupported features. Compliance. It helps organizations follow data integrity, security, and format standards. Data integrity. Validating files helps to prevent errors or corruption during storage or transmission. How are we achieving this? When a presentation is uploaded on SlideHub platform, before starting the process of adding it to the company library, the system automatically validates it. If any of the following issues arise, a warning will appear. Too large file size, the file contains slide link with zoom link, the file contains custom font, the file contains internal links, the file has multiple language settings, or the file contains sensitive content. Let me show you how the file validation works. Okay, so let's upload a new file to SlideHub to check how the file validation works. Just click on Manage Assets. And then go to Add New. Let's upload a file. The first file I'm going to upload is the 6 issues A. On the right side of the screen, you can see what you can do after the file has been verified. From labeling it to selecting specific slides, to scanning it for similar slides, and labeling the slide by a slide. Alright, we have our first warning. The file exceeds the slide limit for processing. Please decrease the size to under 50 megabytes, preferably to less than 20 megabytes for a smoother experience. I'm going to click on Add New again and upload a different file instead. So now I'm going to upload the following file, 6 issues B, and let's see what errors we'll get now. Here you can see that there's 6 issues. The first one is that the file contains a large video, custom font might cause issues, the file contains zoom slide links, the file contains internal links, and the file contains multiple language settings. And finally, the file contains specific sensitive information. If I click on this article here, it will take me to our help desk where I can get advice about what to do with the various problems. So what was our first problem? There's a video link that makes the file really large. So I can either remove the video from the file, or I can replace the video with a link, which will reduce the file size. For now, I'm just going to click on Ignore and Next to get to the next problem. The next issue is that the file contains custom font that might cause issues. What this means is that if you open this file on a different computer, it might not render correctly and it won't look as you had designed it. To solve this issue, you can embed fonts inside your PowerPoint file to make sure that it'll always render correctly. If it's a specific custom font, you can also reach out to our customer service to help you. If you don't want to move forward, just click on Drop File, but I'm just going to click on Ignore and Next. The file contains a Zoom link in the slide. Here is find out which slide is in. Basically, this issue means that you will get a preview of the Zoom link, but you won't be able to open it. To solve this, you can either exclude the slide with the Zoom link, or you can manually remove this Zoom link from the file, and instead of the preview image, put a different image. I'm going to click on Exclude Slide with Zoom. This issue is about internal links. If you have internal links inside a PowerPoint presentation, and you keep them, you're going to be limited in editing them once you're inside SlideHub platform, because if you change the order of the slides, the links are going to be broken. You can solve this by removing the links, or if you decide to keep the links, please be aware that if you change the order of the slides in the presentation, the internal links are not going to function. The file contains multiple language settings. You can solve this easily here by choosing one specific language for the complete file, and we'll automatically update that for you. This doesn't change the file's appearance, but it is best to use just one language setting. It's going to make spell checking much easier for you. And the last issue you're going to see is that your file contains sensitive content. This is part of our Redact tool, and we check your file whether it has references to people's places or some kind of personal information. If you want to check what content has been deemed sensitive, just click on Content, and then you'll be able to go through our complete redaction process. Otherwise, you can just click on Ignore and Continue. Once you have completed the validation process, you'll be able to add the slide as a standalone slide or as a presentation. You can see here that we excluded one of the slides with Zoom links, therefore I can't add this presentation as a presentation, but on any other file, it should work perfectly. We hope you're going to find this file validation system as useful as we do. Improve file upload speed. Uploading files to SlideHub via PowerPoint is now 70 to 80% faster than before. Why are we doing this? We've significantly reduced the speed required to upload slides directly from PowerPoint to SlideHub. This update additionally improves the overall stability of the platform. One of our most important goals is to provide an even smoother and steadier SlideHub experience. Where is this improvement most apparent? The stability and the speed of the following features in particular have been improved: suggest new slides, redact files, update selected slide, update multiple selected slides, and send task for design service. The speed improvement is especially noticeable for larger files, such as those exceeding 10 megabytes. Enjoy the enhanced performance even with your largest slide decks. Quarterly Product Webinar. Join us on our next Quarterly Product Webinar to find out what we are working on. Check in with us on Tuesday, March 26th, 2024 at 3 p.m. CET and ask us directly about SlideHub. The video call will be 30 to 45 minutes long, depending on the length of the Q&A session after the presentation of our news. To register for the next webinar, please click on the following link: slidehub.io/webinar-sign-up/quarterly-product-webinar. Come and find out what new features we have developed for you and what is coming soon. Be the first to know about our latest developments and make an impact by sharing your opinion with us. Thank you for your attention. We at SlideHub hope to help you continue to streamline PowerPoint proposals and solve document chaos.